In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the physics website. So presumably you've found your way here to the physics website and you've clicked on this video and there it is. Let me just show you the things here. This is a link to the district website. This is a link to the Tualatin website, Google. This is links that I think are interesting. And if you find something cool, well, we might put it on there, you know. And then go up for me means go back to the page you were on. This is just contact information for me. Things that you might find interesting, like there's ASE and AEA and bridge contests and things like that. If you see me with my camera, I'll put them in here. These are pictures from last year. Here's the speed trap lab from last year, etc., etc. Keep going up, right? This is our Oaks Park website, and when we get to the end of the year, we use this. This has all sorts of data. It's got how to do video analysis and all kinds of stuff there. This is the website that I made for the extravaganza, although it looks like I didn't update it last year. So, but we do a little show at the end of the year, which is kind of fun. This is the research pages that the Physics 2 kids make. So if you think you're going to do Physics 2 next year, you might want to look at some of the research projects they did. Here is a fish in zero gravity escaping from a droplet of water. It's kind of cool, huh? Okay. Miscellaneous, this is just stuff that really doesn't belong on the website. I just put it up there anyway. Here's our videos of demos and stuff like that, stupid poems, animated GIFs. This is kind of cool. Look at this. It's like a tour. Let's go down the hall. Oops, I got to turn around. Let's go forward. Turn to the left, go forward, turn to the right. Forward up into the senior hall. Look at that. Forward, forward. Anyway, it's like the school. It's kind of funny. It's the school before the tech wing was made. Okay. Anyway, that's stupid stuff. Don't waste too much time there. This is a way to, you can download files. You can upload them here. So you can, you type a password. I'll tell you what the password is, right? Okay. And then you got to pick a file here. I don't know what to do. Let's do documents and physics, and how about let's put the syllabus up there. Upload it. There you go. And then if you go up here, if you go to download, you'll see the file there. You can download it. Okay, so that's kind of cool. If you want to send a file to school or send a file home from school, that's a way to do it. Upload and download files. This is the very coolest thing of all, okay? Here's documents and lectures. This is every document and every PowerPoint that I use. So if you miss class, everything's there. The syllabi are there. So if you're IB Physics, right? Here's the syllabus, right? That's the same syllabus that I put in your hand, right? This is the paper syllabus. Here's the web version of it. Sometimes I just check my website because it's like, what am I teaching today, right? Okay, so there it is. That's kind of fun. Okay, here is the handouts, right? So if you look at the syllabus here, you were supposed to get an uncertainty worksheet there. Let's see if we can find that. Okay, so let's go back. I clicked on handouts. Check it out. Here's a worksheet uncertainty. You can click that. My Mac just opens the thing up. There it is. Okay. Let's look here. Let's go the data booklet. Let's see if we can find that. Let's see, miscellaneous data booklet. Let's see what it is. Ooh, look at that. Check that out. It's IB official. All right. Okay. Let's see what other things we have. Probably quiz won't be there. Graphs of motion. Let's see if that's there. A worksheet. I think that would be a worksheet. Or is it miscellaneous? Oh, there it is. No. I think it's a worksheet. There it is. Yeah, graphs of motion. Whoop. There's that worksheet. Okay. So if you miss a handout, don't come to class and go, I didn't have the handout. Just print it out at home. Okay, I'm empowering you to find that, right? Okay, here are all the very, very boring PowerPoint lectures, every single one there. Now, generally speaking, this is the block number. That's the first one in the first day, second one in the first day, third one in the first day, et cetera, et cetera. This is good. Probably we're going to do fifth block. They might be a little messed up, but you ought to be able to find it. or at least recognize what they are. But these are PowerPoint presentations. Okay, and then let's go back here. So there's the handouts, there's the lectures, right? Let's go back to the website there. Here's a little wiki that we're making, and we haven't worked on it for a while, but it's kind of neat. We can do things in here that actually, let's go here. Let's go to that one. Angular velocity. We can do this. This is something we can make these expressions. These are actually images, right? So we can actually make these things. This is called latex, is the language that does that. But anyway, don't need to show you that. These are your solutions, okay? Now the solutions to the book problems aren't on here. These are the old textbook over here, okay? But these are the worksheets that I've made. I've got solutions to those. And this is just a link to the PowerPoints. These are the pre-quizzes. You'll know what I mean when we get to them. We've got solutions to that. And but anyway, yeah, you can go in here and I've worked them out on there. And I'll show you where there are solutions to your book problems. Okay, they're not on this thing. These are the old textbook right there. Here's your data booklet if you want it. There it is. And then here's probably the most important thing of all. These are the how-to videos. So we're going to watch a lot of videos in the class. If you go to IB Physics like that, here's all your chapters. We're in this chapter to begin with, chapter 2. Okay, now take a look at the syllabus here. Okay, you are the video, a tour of the website. You're watching that. That's actually on this site. Okay, and then velocity and acceleration. If you're the A person here, you're going to be watching velocity and acceleration. Okay, that's video C. So let's see if we can find it. There it is, velocity and acceleration. You're going to watch that video, and you're going to watch this video. These will just take you to YouTube. And
so I've already talked
I'm very sorry about this, but you know, there it is. Okay, terribly, terribly boring. But there it is. Okay, so there's that one. And then if you are the B person, you're going to do velocity and acceleration. Okay, so that's this thing here. Okay, so I guess the first person is going to do this one. The second person is going to do this one. All right, then it says solving problems with displacement, velocity, and acceleration. Okay. Where is that one? D. There it is. Okay. So they're going to watch this guy, right? B is going to watch this one. And then unit conversions. Video A, person A is going to watch that. Unit conversions, convert units. There it is. This is totally cheating, right? So that's where the videos are. Even better, look on this site. Here's the same syllabus that was on the other site. Don't go up from there. Here are the same links to the handouts. So there they all are. Here's the lectures, the PowerPoints like that. Okay, here is, this is really cool. This is the Rocket Lab and the Moving Plots Lab. So you can find, there's lots of questions on the lab. This is how to do the IB version of the Air Rocket Lab. Here's a really spiffy graph. There's all kinds of resources. Basically, I help you work through it. Okay, Moving Plots Lab. Nobody understands how to do the Moving Plots Lab. And so here's all 3 different ways to do spreadsheets, tangent lines. What do I mean by that? How to interpret this. Very, very helpful. If it's the day before the lab's due and you haven't finished your Moving Plots Lab. So this is the probably I'm building this up. This will be a very cool site. Eventually, it'll teach you how to do all of physics, and I won't actually be necessary. You can just sort of come and hit play, and there it is. Anyway, I hope this helped. I hope you can find your way around on the website.